Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Velesh channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off developer mode on your Android phone. To do this, we need to go into settings, or you can use the search at the top and type developer. So developer mode. We're looking for developer here. Looking for developer options. Go in and turn it off, right? There, or turn it on. If you don't see it here, then scroll all the way down on this particular phone. Tap on system. Oops! Tap system, then tap advanced, and here's developer options. Go ahead and turn it off. This has been Vela. See you all later.